Yo, what's up?
Yo.
You got my squad in the building. Where Miss Caddy at?
Right here. Yo.
Caddy, what's up? Where you at?
What up?
What's good?
Yo, it's Cadillac.
We got him in the building. That's
Yo in the building.
my crew. So of course I appreciate y'all coming down.
Hell yeah, we just
Giving
see
us some
EA
love.
going in the booth. He in here.
That's what's up.
Love in the city.
Well, you're
his vocals down out here.
Yeah, but you're about to hear them on the track.
We in here.
I appreciate y'all. So we're gonna show some, to be continued footage with y'all on this track, and I appreciate y'all giving me some love. Thank y'all.
Let's go.
What's up, boy? It's my man right here. This is the one that was behind the Styles P concert. Recently trying to get some love to hip hop, and he a part of the team, and we rocking out. Glad to have you, boy.
Yeah, it ain't about nothing, man. You know, bigger and better things to come, man. That's all it's
Believe
about
that.
right now.
You already know. Believe
That's
that. Welcome you here.